What's up?
What's up?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Everything Kyle. So today I'm going to be trying out a new helmet. We got this one made by Bell. It's their Race Star series. I'm coming from an Icon race flight, so I'm really curious to see what it's about. So let's check it out. We got this really cool bag here. There she is. Let's check it out. Now, mind you, this already came with the Pro Vision visor on it. I put the smoke visor on there because I just love the look of a dark visor. I don't care, even at night riding, I can see. If you look under here, the strap actually has a magnetic contact point, which is very satisfying, very easy to use, so I love that. Also, guys, mind you, this helmet, I was reading a lot of reviews about it, so I did my research. It was a little tight in the cheek pads, and I did the research before I even bought the helmet. That comes with 30mm cheek pads. I ordered 25 from Bell, and let me tell you, they came out like this. They're magnetic, simple to change, and the helmet fits absolutely perfect. Well, let me tell you guys, I love this helmet. I could not be happier with it. The matte and the gloss carbon together. My bike has matte and gloss carbon on it, so this helmet is going to match perfectly. I cannot wait to get my first ride with it. Tomorrow my bike comes out of the shop and I will be adding to this review. I can't wait, stay tuned. Let's see what it looks like on. Wow, that's that. Pretty satisfying. Woo.